Sometimes known simply as Martellos, Martello towers are small defensive forts that were built across the British Empire during the 19th century, from the time of the French Revolutionary Wars onwards. Most were coastal forts. Situated on the highest point of a ridge overlooking Sydney's Middle Harbour is a solid three-story brick house built between the late 1950s and early 1960s, which has been complemented by contemporary additions bearing all the signature hallmarks of Luigi Rosselli architecture: the sandstone base, the whitewashed walls, and the aerofoil vertical louvres placed next to log cabin exterior wall cladding. Gentle alterations to the existing house have left 95% of the original structure standing, including the 1950s sandstone fireplace in the lounge, while the additions to the front of the house and the new lower ground floor level at the back have enlivened its somewhat bland appearance. The front of the house features another Luigi Rosselli architect's key element, a lightwell containing an elliptical stair, framed by the sandstone Martello Tower entry porch that, in its partially ruined state, opens up to the horizontal whitewashed concrete beams and roof lines that complete the new street elevation. Internally, the interiors created by Romaine Alwill incorporated Mediterranean blue color into a timeless palette to create a comfortable and luminous family home that is ready to survive another 50 years.